We didn't start with the recording.
You didn't start it? Oh. No, the symbols came, right? In the above?
No, just now I started. Today you didn't ask, I also didn't remember.
Oh.
I forget. Whenever you are asking at that time, I also know that I have to start.
No issues.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, this is the edit questionnaire templates. You can see all these informations here.
Selection order.
They can ask you question on this also. I will simplify the things for you. Remember, in a questionnaire templates, you have to put the contents, sections, and you have these questions here. I will create a fresh one for you. You will get an idea. Suppose I am creating this one. Score questionnaire, average, sum, or percentage. They can ask you, can we score a questionnaire? Yes, you can score. What is the calculation rule? You can say either it can be a sum or an average of that or a percentage of that. Based on this, we can do our changes. So next comes, suppose we are taking this sum.
I mean, we are rating based on our questions, right?
Yeah,
The score calculation.
correct. Suppose this temp.
Yeah.
Let me change the place. Yeah, this is better place. Yeah, here we can give the names whatever you want.
Actually, this sum, average, and percentage rule will be based on the client requirement, right?
Yes, yes.
Because company to company, it will change.
Everything will be based on the client requirements only. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Something which is impacting them, then definitely we have to take the client's approval for this. For doing anything.
Yes, yes.
Suppose this is for questionnaire template I'm giving. For identification purpose, I'm giving CS underscore for our identification. We can give any template. Suppose owner is Amir Khan. Description we can put anything. This one also we can put anything. We can change that to next. The contents here it will be same sequential order. Take allow changes to format option. Allow changes to section.
Questionnaire ID has been created, right? I mean, automatically generated.
Created, yeah. These are auto generated. Allow response type. We have selected all. These many types are there. Check multiple choice, check boxes, multiple choice, no response. This they can ask, what are the response types available?
What is this response type? I mean, for what purpose?
Or you are asking some questions to candidate, right? How they will respond. They have a radio button, drop down, otherwise single choice from the list. Suppose 5 options are there, they have to select one. This is single choice. This is rich text box, means it will be like a box they have to fill, write down something like a notepad. This is like plain text box. This is no response. This is multiple choice. Out of 5, you can answer 3 of that. Means 5 options will be there, 5 answers in the objective question, and you can select any 2 or any 3 like that. This will be multiple choice.
If it's a face-to-face interview, then these are not needed, right?
Yeah. Face to face, these are not.
No response will give then in that case.
You can give no response for. Otherwise, what will happen? If certain questions like interviewer is for record purpose is asking the question to the candidate, okay, that how much experience you have. So he will be based on this. He will be selecting that is good, better, or best candidate like that. He can give the ratings. He can select that.
Better to keep all, right?
Yeah, allowed response type. Better to keep all. Allow addition questions in this section. Can allow the addition. You can add questions from the existing one. You can select.
So this is the template. So first we need to create the questionnaires. Then here we can add them, right?
Correct. Current salary notice period. Application questions. If you have graduated, how long has been done? What is the nationality? Are you ready to commit for 6 months? Like that, there are a list of questions available. Suppose I'm adding one more questions here. Residence country. How many years do you have directly? How many years do you have directly related experience like that? You can select the response type here. Single choice from list, radio button or radio button with image. Anything you can select.
These templates can be added under the site also, right? If we have any questionnaires in that page also we can add. I mean, there will be any requirement in that page.
Yeah, if they are asking to add certain things, then you can add it.
I mean, in site also, at site level also, we
This
have
spelling, yeah, they
some
may ask you
questions,
like
right?
disqualification questions. Disqualification questions they may ask you to add. Means are you above 18 years of age like that? If they ask, then you have to fill that.
So these questions can be used under job requisition page also under career site also. Maybe depending on the client requirement.
Yeah. I created this yes questionnaire template.
So we'll give this under job requisition, right? Here,
Correct.
job requisition.
Whenever you are creating, suppose this is job requisition template. I'm searching for this. This is add question. What is this page? Internal pre-screening questionnaire. This is add questions. This is questionnaire template. This is career site. This is job requisition. This is the requisition template.
Can we see our questionnaire template under job requisition page? I mean, now we have created one
Correct.
questionnaire template, right?
That's what I'm trying. This is interview pre-screen questionnaire requisition template. This is question text. 1 second. Actually, we have a format: questionnaire questions and questionnaire templates. Which one is getting added? That's what I'm seeing, checking here. This is pre-screening questionnaires, interview questionnaires. Okay. So what I created a questionnaire template. Okay.
Yes.
So based on this template, I have to create a questionnaire. Where is that questionnaire? This one.
First questionnaire will be created, I think, right?
No.
Because we have selected questionnaires under questionnaire template.
We created this template, right? When I click on create.
You have created this template, right? You have chosen one questionnaire under that.
No, where which is selected? Can you show me where?
Some questions just now, some code is there. How many years of
Those were
experience you have?
Those were questions.
Okay. Questions. Okay.
Those are questions. There are three things: questions, questionnaire templates, and questionnaire.
Okay.
So three things are related to each other. How is that related? Let me see. Define questionnaire. Questionnaire template questionnaire. Click on questionnaires. This is questionnaires. Okay. Suppose you are creating a questionnaires here. Before that, always change the subscriber to recruiting. Based on recruiting, suppose you are searching for a candidate. We had created the CS underscore something we gave, right?
Yes.
Question
CS underscore questionnaire template you have given.
Yes. The recruiting only we created. If I create here questionnaire, then it should ask me the questionnaire templates. These are the templates. Where is my template then? Let me do one thing. Parallelly, let me open this side also. What I know is questions we have to create, then questionnaire templates, then questionnaire we have to create based on the templates.
First questions, then questionnaire template, then questionnaire.
Yeah, that's the series what I know. Let me compare the parallelly. Recruiting related, how many are there? These are the requisition templates. Candidate appraisal.
CS is there, right? CS is there. CS
Yes,
underscore questionnaire template.
So let me see here. What are coming here? NMC template ID. Let me copy this and search it here. Is it available here? NMCA form. NMCA form comes under what? Let me reset it then. Why under recruiting this is coming? Did I did something wrong? Just a moment. Let me close this. Is it because I selected this one? Pre-screening. Java application flow. Interview feedback, face-to-face interview feedback. Okay. Face-to-face interview feedback questionnaire name is there. Questionnaire name. Okay, let me create one. Search for the template ID. These are the template ID. Requisition template 1, requisiting phone screening feedback. Face-to-face interview feedback. Do you see anything here? Face-to-face interview feedback. Yeah, it is there here. Face-to-face. This one face-to-face interview feedback. Click edit. Let me see. Check the code. Code. template ID is FNFINT. FNFINT, yeah,
Yes, same.
it's picking from here only. Then why it's not picking my one? Maybe we have to sign out or what? Sometimes it may be needed.
Let's sign out and check better.
Yeah. For that, let me again check something.
It's the CS underscore questionnaire template. Description, what you have given, questionnaire template, right?
Let me open again. Let me check this one. This is coming. Face to face. We didn't. We selected score questionnaire, but here it's not selected. Active privacy is public. We did it public. This one sequential. Allow changes. We didn't select it. Questionnaire. We selected. Face to face. Then these are the questions selected here. These are the questions. Okay. These are the template. Inside the
Yes.
template, we have
Yes,
section.
yes.
Inside the section, we have this questions. And we have these all these informations, question code, sections, all these informations. You can exit. I will open my. Yes, privacy is only public only privacy, so it should be available. Owner is Amir Khan. Questionnaire template I given name. Then these things. Next. If I allow changes to format, if I don't select this, do I need to edit something or add? Questionnaire section. Questionnaire tab. Questionnaire section. Like that, I'm giving the name. Vertical rundown. Radio button with image. Single choice from the list. This required means what? It's to
But
make it
it's not
mandatory.
mandatory, right?
You can make it mandatory by clicking on this. This will be mandatory questions if you make it.
Not this. Actually, you have added under section, right? This CS questionnaire section. So without that, we can't create.
Yeah, you have to, at least one section should be there. See, for this
Under that
questionnaire,
section, we have questions, right?
yeah, for these sections, we have these two questions. Below sections, we don't have any question.
So we can create multiple sections. So for
Correct.
that sections, we can create questions.
Correct. Then you can do 7 close. Yes, so this is how it is. This questionnaires. So we'll search it here. Let me reload the page. Maybe CS questionnaire template it came. You saw? Didn't saw it. CS questionnaire template.
Yeah.
It came. It's taking some time to come.
Can we view under that job requisition page? This one?
This one is the template. I'm creating a questionnaire now. So let me create this questionnaire. Folder job application, questionnaire library, job application. I'm creating this questionnaire. First question, then a questionnaire template, then questionnaire. Yes, underscore. Yes. Questionnaire. This is the template. This is the questionnaire I'm creating. So let me search. Yes. Yes, underscore. What happened? I create where it went. If you using this search option is very bad. If you forget the questionnaire name or something, then it's very tough to find it out. See, in advanced search, I was able to find this CS questionnaire. This is the questionnaire I created. Let me put the. Tell me the series. What you learned here. First, we have to create the questions. Then
Then questionnaire template, then questionnaires.
They will try to confuse you in this.
Questions will be selected under questionnaire template, right? So questions will be first, then questionnaire template. So questionnaire template will be under questionnaire. We should, if we select questionnaire, this template will be configured under that.
We are creating something here. This is the requisition template. What name I give? Requisition template. And from there, I was here pre-screening questions templates.
Yeah, interview questionnaires.
And external application flow, country selection process, into question. But I created under, I think, a different. Let me check that. Under which I created questionnaires. I created under.
Recruiting.
That is recruiting, but nothing. CS questionnaire templates, because all are related under what you are creating. Based on that only it will work. What happened? Now it's not showing. Few minutes before it was showing, right? Now what happened again? Next template allow changes take region sequential question sections. No, this is not save and close. Okay, so why it is not showing this wasting? No criteria. Then I'll create again. This is the template. This is the requisition template I'm selecting. Click OK. Then folder job application, interview feedback, or where you want to use based on this requirement. You can see the requirement. Is it an interview questionnaire or it's a pre-screening questionnaire? What you want? Which kind of questionnaire you want? So you have to decide. Pre-screening, suppose I'm selecting. I want to add under pre-screening. Pre-screening I selected. Then name I'm giving CS underscore pre-screening template. Any doubt to keep asking, okay? So this is the thing. Privacy will be public, otherwise you cannot see. Click next.
So there are 4, right? Pre-screening, job, interview questionnaires, and one more, 3 or 4. Many are there.
Interview feedback, job application, question library will be there by default.
Many will be there.
No, question library, pre-screening, job application, interview feedback.
Okay. So there will it will be given under job requisition, like sections, interview related or pre-screening related, or
interview related. It will be for interview. Job application, this is for career site where candidate will be filling, and this is pre-screening. This is here in pre-screening. Pre-screening questionnaire you are seeing, right?
yeah. Here interview questionnaire is also there, right? Under job requisition template.
Yeah. So suppose I'm selecting the pre-screening for now. I'm creating for pre-screening. Then I will click next. Suppose put it active. Then go next. Then these are the questions already added in the template. Okay, so no need to add again. I can just view everything. If it is fine, then I am going to save and close. That is created. So I should be able to search that in the pre-screening here. If I want to add.
Yeah, under pre-screening questionnaires.
Screening.
It's not sure.
It's taking time. Should come here. Otherwise, you have options to create also here directly. If you want to select, you can select the pre-screening related things or application. You can create directly here.
What are these folders then?
Based on these folders, questionnaire library or interview, whatever you saw, right? Those are folders only. Here also, whatever you saw.
Folders also will create?
No, those are delivered. Folders will be there. You have to just select the folders. Interview related disqualifications like that. Always the parent folder will be the question library.
Okay.
So these are the folders here. You can select the questions based on a requirement. You can put the question text here. If people doesn't know where to go and create, they can directly create it.
These are the questions, right?
Yeah, question text you can ask. How many experience you have? Question type single choice and multiple choice you can create. Screening questions added by user or added automatically. Better add it automatically. Candidate is internal, external for both. Recruiting organization, location, job, family. These are all for contextualization purpose. Response single choice, radio button. If you want to allow them then rating model, you want to rate based on, we have a rating model. I will tell you about this later. The purpose of this is to give
Appraisal.
not exactly appraisal. You want to rate someone from 1 to 10 or something. You can use this for any particular purpose. If it's a highly effective or you want to recommend this person, you can create it. Rating model. We have rating in settlement maintenance. You can search for these rating models where you can create it. These are mostly used in the talent management where performance appraisal and all are used, right? Where we rate a candidate in that. For this purpose also, if you want, they have given these options.
Okay.
So this is how it is created here. These pre-screening questions. Then suppose this template we created and we want to use it in our when we are how to use this template. I will show you. First, let me save this. Activate template.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay.
Why?
Some conflict may be happening. I have to check what is the conflict. Maybe I created under something different, right? Interview related things I selected. That could be the reason. I will check that later. Let me activate it.
But we didn't added our questionnaire, right? Till now?
Our questionnaire here, no, we didn't add it.
CS underscore
CS underscore. It's not.
pre-screening.
Tomorrow we'll add on this and we'll verify.
Okay.
Should be coming here because based on the what folder we are creating, it depends. Either pre-screening or interview or candidate selection. Based on that only it will work here. So this template, let me remember this template. Let me go and create a requisition. Suppose I'm going to my client group, hiring. Add templates. Use here for what purpose I created. Position exists.
Job. Huh?
When I created, I forgot. Outsourcing. Yeah. One will be outsourcing here. Again, that is a big tension.
No, just now we got that option, right? Outsource. There.
Did I?
Below?
What is that?
Outsource was there.
Because I opened here also outsource our budget replacement, recruiting type. This is for use. Job. If I select job, position template, suppose if I select template, recruiting the outsource. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, your observation is correct. So we should find our here. Still not showing. It's already active, right? Yeah, it's already active. And why it's not showing? Not even a single one it is showing. I think there is some setups they have restricted or what. Check. Maybe what they could have done, they don't want any templates to work. That's why they have stopped this template. I have to verify what is the setup which is stopping it, because not even a single one it is showing. Why is requisition template? Let me put this here at least. Not accepting itself. Not
Yeah.
even showing
Because
any.
it said we should select from drop down, right?
Not even showing anything. So I think there is something restriction they have put it. I have to verify on that.
I mean, it will take some time or some.
Maybe it depends time or any setup they have done, that I have to verify.
Okay.
I don't think it's time. It may be some setups, because time then at least one template should be there, right?
Yes, yes.
It's not even showing a single one. So I doubt on the setups. It changed this to recruiting type to something else, outsource. I think templates they are not using. Probably this client is not using the template at all.
But we have created the template, but it should reflect, right? Based on that.
But if there will be some settings like don't allow to use the templates. Create
Okay.
requisition only from these options. Only from this position, job, or existing requisition, or blank requisition, like that.
So
Don't
for
allow.
so for job requisition, they're not using templates.
That's what I am wondering. But let me check on this. Why this template is not coming. Let me note down this point. Earlier also I noted down, right?
Yes.
Why can't we select the requisition template
Under job requisition.
while creating a requisition file? Creating a requisition. Select requisition template while creating a requisition. Okay, let me check on this. So you got the point, right, about the questionnaire. That is the process. And if something is not working, that could be the application issue or some process setups. They could have done the changes. Otherwise, the process is same. You have to create a question, then questionnaire templates, then this questionnaires. And when you are creating the questionnaires, you have to select based on the folder. Folder is nothing but you have to finalize whether it's for interview or whether it's for pre-screening or whether it's for candidate selection or what kind. You have to describe that. And whenever you are creating something, you have to select the subscriber as recruiting.
Okay.
You have different types here as subscriber. This is for talent management performance. This is for time and labor. This is for other like that, different modules. So ours is recruiting here. This is what we have. Next we will cover tomorrow. You just get the information from the HR so that we can put this link in the application.
Sure, sure.
Okay, let me stop share.
I'll create I mean, basic idea in LinkedIn profile. Once I get the date tomorrow, can you help me in editing
Yeah.
the LinkedIn profile?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. No, send me the recording.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.